The impact of DevOps. DevOps, a combination of development and operations, has become a popular approach in the software development industry. This video will explore the impact of DevOps on software development, highlighting its benefits, methodology, practices, challenges, and more. DevOps benefits. One of the key benefits of DevOps is improved collaboration between development and operations teams. By breaking down silos and fostering better communication, DevOps enables teams to work together seamlessly towards a common goal. DevOps methodology. DevOps is a methodology that promotes automation and collaboration throughout the software development lifecycle. It emphasizes the importance of continuous integration and continuous delivery, ensuring that code is tested, built, and deployed in a reliable and efficient manner. DevOps implementation. Implementing DevOps requires a cultural shift within an organization. It involves adopting agile practices, embracing automation tools, and fostering a DevOps culture that values collaboration and continuous improvement. DevOps in cloud. DevOps and cloud computing go hand in hand, as the scalability and flexibility of cloud services make it easier to implement DevOps practices. By leveraging cloud infrastructure, organizations can automate deployment, scale resources as needed, and improve overall agility in software development. Conclusion. In conclusion, the impact of DevOps on software development is profound. By promoting collaboration, automation, and continuous improvement, DevOps has revolutionized the way organizations develop and deliver software products. Embracing DevOps principles can lead to greater efficiency, improved quality, and a competitive edge in today's digital landscape.